Let me tell you a little bit about Michael Bloomberg that most people don't know. Let me just go through some of the things he's done. May 2012, Bloomberg announced Latch On New York City, citywide initiative to support mothers who breastfeed their infants by asking maternity hospitals to voluntarily sign on to support a mother's choice to breastfeed and limit the promotion of infant formula. Trans fats, 2006. Banning the use of artificial trans fat food, giving restaurants until 2007 to stop frying foods in oils that contain trans fats. And by 2008, completely remove those foods. Nobody wants to take away your French fries or your hamburgers. I love those things too. But if you can make it with something less damaging to your health, we should do that, he said. Then he passed the calorie count. Now caloric intake listings are the norm through the city. Then smoking. In 2011, Bloomberg announced a ban on smoking in public places, including Times Square and Central Park, which is how big of an outdoor space is Central Park? I would tell you that you can literally be raped and screaming for help in Central Park in broad daylight during a work week, and nobody will hear you.
Oh, it's miles long and wide.
Yeah. He says, we're not trying to ban anything. I've always believed, as you know, if you want to smoke, you have the right to do so, just not outside. Liquor.
Or inside, for that matter, at restaurants. You can't do it there either.
Liquor. Mm-hmm. The city health department's far-reaching partnership for a healthier New York City proposed to slash the number of establishments in the city that sell liquor. One of the goals listed in the request for proposal document to community groups is reducing alcohol retail outlets, the corner bar, the corner store.
There you go.
And reduce the exposure to alcohol products and bar advertising and promotion in retail and general settings like trains, buses, stores, or advertising for liquor in restaurants.
Wow.
Last month, Bloomberg announced that he would work in New York City to ban all styrofoam plastic food packaging. He says at the United Nations, when he spoke at the United Nations, there are powers that only governments can exercise. Listen to that, because that is exactly against our Constitution. The government has no power that we don't give it. So he says there are powers that only governments can exercise, results only governments can achieve. Government at all levels must make healthy solutions the default social option. That is government's highest duty, end quote. But that's really not the food is not really where he's wildly dangerous. His gun initiative, his influencing elections, and his connections to the Open Society Institute and what he's doing with his billions of dollars. Coming up.